Hey, Travis Moore from the boarding school here. Today we're going to help you get those kids off an inner tube, make them do something a little cooler, get them up on a wake surfer. So you got your boat, it's time to be superhero dad and get those kids up and moving. One trick we often use when teaching kids or beginners is to teach them how to get up on a wakeboard first. It's a lot easier with somebody strapped into a board to learn how to break the plane of the water. You can even do it against the back of the platform on the boat. As you can see here, I'm just holding my foot against the edge of the board and pulling her up, showing her the rocking motion. Now that you've gotten the feel for popping up on the wakeboard, it's time to take it to the wake surfer. So as a general rule, you want to start with your back foot as far back on the board as you can, your front foot just a little more than shoulder width apart. You're going to keep your heels as close as you can to the edge of the board. That's going to make it easier to pop the board up between you and the boat. Once you have a little tension on the rope, now is the time to kick your heels down and push that board up between you and the boat. So the two biggest things you want to think about are keeping your arms nice and straight and completely relaxed, and also keeping your knees really soft. If you pull on the handle, it's going to push the board out in front of you, or if you push on the board, straighten your legs, it's also going to push the board back in front of you. So pretend that you're falling on the ground and someone is coming to help you back up. You would never try to pull them towards you. You're just going to lightly let yourself come up off the ground. So hopefully we gave you some good tips to get your kids up on top of the water and ripping around. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please drop them in the comments below.